I'm Mike Evans, I'm over Liam Shilton, and this is my second Rubik's Cube challenge. Now I've got a Rubik's Cube here, jumbled up by Dan the cameraman, put it on in front of the camera, well, whatever. And Liam has got to try and solve one side faster than I can solve this cube. Can I do it? You want to do me a countdown now?
Alright. Hang on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
I have a feeling I could win this one.
Is it a good shuffle?
Yeah, it is. Nice shuffle, I'll give you that.
Oh yes.
But it's a pretty meh cube, so. One side. I should go there.
God, I don't know how you do it.
Agility.
You haven't got any agility.
I have a cube.
That's a good point. Bloody hell.
Algorithm.
Ooh, most of it's algorithms.
Ideally, one side done.
Look at those fingers.
Imagine a woman on the end of them.
Ooh.
Like a little puppet.
Do I have to? Love puppet. Got like a rabbit from the butchers. Jim did that once with Mum. Not to Mum, I mean with the rabbit, to Mum.
Yeah. How's Liam doing? I can't be bothered looking.
Well, from the look in this cube, not very well. Not cube, what's this thing called I'm holding? Camera.
Camera.
Look at those algorithms fly. Then look at Liam's. Or you can drop on your crotch. Either's good, but that's not going to help you solve it. Liam's got a few of the oranges and yellows in place there.
Yeah, and I've got most of the cube in place.
Yeah. I can kind of see what you're doing now when you're bloody hell. That was a quick solve then.
Look!
What? Yeah, but they're not in the right place.
I know!
That's why you should know algorithms.
Oh, damn it.
Got this on camera? Cube solved. Challenge completed.
Liam solved the side, if I zoom in, but the corners and sides aren't in the right place.
Yeah, you got a colour.
Liam's got the logic to solve a cube. Right, what's 2 minutes 50, take away 30? So 2 minutes 30 that one was.